Hi guys, Terry here. Hey, I wanted to show you last week the fireplace got done. Doesn't that look amazing? It goes all the way up to the ceiling. There was a couple of guys here for about 3 or 4 days and they did a fabulous job. You can't see under the hearth there, but it's got a little bit of stone under there too. So they've ordered the front of the fireplace and there's new logs in there. So soon we will be getting the room put back together. So just love how it turned out. Turned out great. So today I wanted to show you, I've got my Gina K box came yesterday. So I want to show you what came in that. It is a Watercolor Spring card kit. So let's open that up. So Gina K did not have a new kit in June or in May. In May. She didn't have a new kit in May. So it was a repeat of the April, which was fine with me. I didn't see it in April, so I was glad to be able to order it in May. It looks like a beautiful set. And then this is the little gift that you get if you order over, I think, $75. And this one's called Pretty Posies. I think that is so pretty, and love the sentiment script. So love that. It's got a little handmade by too. So isn't that cute? So nice they include that. And then I decided to get the master layout number 8. I've got a handful of them. And I didn't realize till afterwards that this is actually for a 5x7 card. So I'll be figuring out how I can use these shapes for an A2 size card and maybe even a slimline. So that should be fun to play with. I'll have a link on my website to Gina K's website, and show all the goodies on there. So here's this month's kit. It's called Watercolor Spring Card Kit, and I was fascinated with what all it comes with. So it's amazing. Look how pretty that is. So it came with 6 ink cubes, and it's got it in the pinks and the greens, which is just such a nice, you know, for multi-laying stamps, which is what this kit is. It's wonderful that they included the inks, because you don't always have 3 colors that work well together. So love that it came with that. And then it came with some ephemera, and that's always fun. She's starting to do more of this ephemera, and I really like this stuff. A card goes together so quickly with this and a card front. You can pop them up. They're pre-stamped, and they're on a little bit thicker cardstock. So works really well. It's pretty on scrapbook layouts too. And then it's got the dies for 3 shapes there. And here's the paper. Watercolor floral 6x6. It says there's 8 different patterns, 3 each. Really pretty. I love the size of them. It's really good size for cards. Look at that one. So it's nice. It's kind of got coordinating backgrounds. Oh, that one's gorgeous. And then a green. You could cut your leaves out of that. Beautiful. Love the paper pack. And then here's the stamps. And that's what these dies go to. It cuts out the leaves and the flower. So the flower consists of 3 layers. So that looks really fun. And then this must be the 3 layers of the leaf. So really fun. Oh, and then it's also got the veins of the leaf. And then the words are, "For you, thinking about you brightens my day. You make me happy. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you." I love that saying. So really pretty. And then there's a whole, so many sentiments, this one's called. "Praying each day finds you feeling like your old self. You make me smile. It's the little things. That means so much. Birthday wishes to you." So just a beautiful, beautiful set. And then it also had some stencils. So how many's in here? Let's see. Oh, there's 2. Okay. So this is really pretty. You could do that on the background. Just give your card a little bit of color and then pop your flowers that you make on top of that. Really neat. And then it looks like it's got this layer here, and then the next layer, and then this layer. So how cute is that? Huh. Oh, that's for the little section of the flowers there. So that's cute. And then just little highlights on the thing. It looks like it's pretty easy to line them up. Very cool. Can't wait to play with the stencils. So that was a lot included in there. So love that. And like I said, I'm going to have to figure out more about how to make a 5x7 card. I think that's common over in Europe. We tend to use the A2 size card. So I will play with this and see what it's like here. Let's open it up. There we go. So she calls this great big long one a ribbon die, so you can cut cardstock and make big long strips out of it. So what a cute idea. So that one's handy. That one you could use on any size card. And then it's got these circles. So it's got a stitch. How fun are these? It's got a stitch, a plain one. So first you would make a stitched one, and then you would layer that with the plain one, and then you would also cut another coordinating color to put behind it. Or you wouldn't have to use the plain one, you could just use the stitch die in that one. So really cute. So on the front of a card it would be, you know, take up the whole card space, but I can see cutting that out and then having a flower on here, and it would be a simple card. So, love that. And then this shape's always handy. So that one has the dashes on it. So really cute. I could see that being a handy just something really handy to put on top of a card. So I like that. So, and then this one cuts the 5x7, and there's another one with the stitched, and then the background piece that goes, layering piece behind it. And then of course this one you could use on a regular size card. So really it's just this outside one that I may not use if I don't do a 5x7 card. So love that. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what came in the Gina K. This paper's just gorgeous. I can't wait to play with this. And it just had so much this month, so really like it. So I think that was, yeah, $59.95 for the kit. And then the master layout dies are expensive. They range from $29 to $39. And they're just such versatile shapes, so I can't say enough about them. So Okay, I think that's everything. Subscribe if you haven't, please. It helps me on YouTube. And I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great week.